are two duos left. Two duos left to fight for their dreams. Two duos na pinili ng taong bayan para manatili. Pero isa lang ang tatanghaling kauna-unahang Big Winner Duo. Isang duo ang hihirangin na nating panalo sa edisyong ito. At ang isa ay sasalubungin na namin dito sa outside world. Ang ating second Big Placer Duo ay nakakuha ng 25.88% of the total combined votes. Habang ang Big Winner Duo naman ay nakakuha ng 33.03% of the total combined votes. Kasama natin ngayon, Tita Cory and Miss Annette. Please do the honors.
Kayo ang second Big Placer Duo ng Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition.
Congratulations, Becca! You are the Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition Big Winner!
Na ang beautiful judo son ng Cavite, Ralph!
At ang Mama's Dream Bay ng Cavite, Will!
Our second Big Placer duo, Rawi!
Let's go, boys! Welcome back to the outside world! Our second Big Placers. Just quickly, ang ating mga boys from Etivac. Isang comeback housemate, isang tahimik na housemate. How does it feel to be second Big Placer?
Wow, Ate B, I have no words. Kundi, pasasalamat lang po ng sobra-sobra. Hindi ko po in-expect na makakaabot kami sa ganitong punto ng buhay namin, ng PBB journey namin. Kaya sobra-sobrang thank you so much po. Habang buhay ko pong tatanawin na itong pagkakataong ito, thank you so much.
Unang-una, thank you, Lord! Thank you, Lord! Nakarating kami dito. Wow, sobrang overwhelming talaga. I am so blessed. We are so blessed to be in this position right now. Guys, never stop dreaming. Always fight for your dreams. Let's go. Let's keep going, everybody. I love you all.
Congratulations, Rawi! And of course, kasama natin ngayon si Tita Cory and si Attorney Annette Cozon to congratulate the both of you. Muli, congratulations! At syempre, nandito din ang inyong mga mahal sa buhay! Congratulations po! Yes! At syempre, tanggapin ninyo itong mga premyo! Congratulations, Rawi!
Grabe ang buhos ng mga luha ng ating mga boys. Once again, our second Big Placers, Rawi!